we just repaired my old go-kart, and with two new wheels, 2 new batteries, washed it, and make sure to like and subscribe, and we're gonna test drive it. So you switch it on from the back, then hit the thumb button, and I'm out of here. Hi, my name's Fox, and this is my go-kart, and I got it yesterday. It's a Razor, and the battery and one of the back wheels is flat, so we're gonna be fixing it up, and I'm gonna give you a ride to see what this thing does right now. Ready?
As you can see, the battery's just about dead. Tires are pretty worn out. So we ordered some new batteries, new tires, new tubes. We're gonna wash it up, put the new stuff on, and we'll see how it does. All right, so this is all we need to fix this thing up. We have a screwdriver, some Allen sockets, the new batteries, and here's our flag. Go ahead and put the flag on, Fox.
All right, there's the flag.
So cars can see it when he's riding around. Order this flag, only 10 bucks. There you go. All right, first thing we gotta do is take off these bolts. So it looks like we have a screw. We have some for the Allen key. A couple more over here. When we get those off, we'll come right back. Now we got the cover off. It's kind of dusty in here, so we're gonna clean it off really good. Take these 2 batteries off. Replace them, the new ones, and we'll probably get some bar chain cleaner and lube, and we'll spray this up, make this chain nice and new. All right, so you got to take off this bracket here first. There's 2 screws holding it in, and then what I like to do is always take a picture of the wiring, so when you put the new ones in, you can't mess it up. All right, while we have this open, we're gonna get some compressed air and spray out all this dust. Make sure you always wear safety glasses. You don't want dirt going in your eye.
Yep, ready?
Go ahead. We got most of it with the compressed air, and now we're just going to get a damp rag and try to get the rest. Alright, we got the new batteries in. Before we put everything back together, let's make sure that they're working and connected properly. So we'll turn on the switch. Alright, give it some throttle. Full throttle. Alright, good. All right, so we pumped air in the tires. They seem to be holding for now. We charge the batteries. We're gonna test it out. And then tomorrow we're gonna wash it up. And if we get the new tires in, we're gonna put the new tires in. All right, give it a whirl.
Ready?
There we go. Oh yeah, much faster.
my go-kart because it's dirty. Tires. First thing is to take off the wheel.
One brand new tire.
Versus the old tire.
One junky tire.
So, kind of looks like F1 tires. So, this is the shirt of my go-kart. Got a pretty good engine back there. But Dad's still trying to get it. Oh, blur.